No. Hi guys, this is Seth. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Ukrainian naval drones, operated by the main Directorate of Intelligence (HUR) of the Ministry of Defense, dealt a significant blow to Russian naval power in the Black Sea region, targeting a patrol ship from the Russian Black Sea Fleet. The explosives, remotely controlled by the operators, struck the vessel while it was on patrol in the Kerch Strait. The Magura V5 maritime drones caused damage to the multiple sections of the Russian ship project Sergey Kotov, including the stern, starboard and port sides.
Russian Sergey Kotov patrol ship of the Black Sea Fleet was destroyed last night by the Group 13 Special Unit of Ukrainian Defense Intelligence. As a result of the attack by Magura V5 naval drones, the Russian ship of Project 221 Sergey Kotov suffered damage to the stern, right and left sides. The ship was damaged in Ukraine's territorial waters near the Kerch Strait. Ukrainian Defense Intelligence confirmed that the ship had been destroyed. The destruction of the Black Sea Fleet continues.
No.
Ukrainian Defense Intelligence shared a video of the Russian Sergey Kotov patrol ship being destroyed. The Russian ship Sergey Kotov gets absolutely wrecked by the GUR. No dramatics, just the raw, unfiltered truth of what happens when you mess with the wrong people. There are dead and wounded among the crew. Part of the team probably managed to evacuate, says Andriy Yusov, a representative of the main Directorate of Intelligence of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine. The enemy called for at least 10 ambulances, indicating an evacuation operation, Yusov said. Note how 3 of the 5 drones attacked the same spot. This is the most effective way to destroy a ship. The Russian naval forces fought the Ukrainian attack for 40 minutes without success. Yusov confirmed that Tuesday's operation was the second attempt to destroy the Russian ship, indicating careful planning. There were 2 attacks in total. Today's attack was a long-term operation that was meticulously prepared for, Yusov told Radio Liberty. According to the transcript shared by the Ukrainian Main Intelligence Directorate, the commander of the Russian vessel's 184th Naval Brigade detailed the Ukrainian forces' successful attack with 5 unmanned surface vessels that destroyed the patrol ship. In the original transcript, the Russian naval officer says a plane went down with the ship, along with an AK-176 shipborne artillery piece and over 600 weapons. Telegram posts later reported that the aircraft was not a plane, but a K-29 multi-purpose naval combat helicopter that reportedly sank on board the patrol vessel. The patrol ships of this project have a helipad, a hangar, and fuel storage tanks to accommodate aviation. Russian Z-blogger 13th laments the loss of yet another Russian Black Sea Fleet ship. At night, the Ukrainians sank our Sergey Kotov patrol ship. An unmanned warship hit it. I don't want to comment on it, because if it goes on like this, the Black Sea Fleet will consist of only catamarans and rubber bananas for vacationers. Well, that is a good goal, I think. The patrol ship Sergey Kotov was commissioned in January 2021. The ship's crew consisted of up to 80 people. The price of the ship is around $65 million. And the ship could be equipped with modular tactical strike container weapons, in particular, Caliber missiles and Kh-35U Uran anti-ship missiles. Meanwhile, the International Criminal Court has issued arrest warrants for Russian long-range aviation commander Sergey Kobylash and Black Sea Fleet commander Viktor Sokolov. Congratulations, guys. I wish you more greetings like this. This is the first visually confirmed HIMARS loss during the entire war. It was destroyed by a Russian Iskander-M while parking at a roadside. Its loaded missiles went off as well. The footage was published by the Kremlin media. The combat system has shown honorable results in the war and continues to destroy the occupiers. The funeral of the Kravets family, killed by a Russian drone strike on a residential building in Odesa. Ole, Tetiana, their 7-month-old daughter Lisa, 8-years-old Zlata, and 10-years-old Sergey were killed by Russia on March 2nd. Tetiana's oldest son, Volodymyr, was at his grandparents' on the night of the attack and survived. Deepest condolences to the family. Russia must pay.
The sinking of the Sergey Kotov is a significant blow to the Russian Black Sea Fleet and we will continue to monitoring the situation. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.